In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a floppy disk icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a really quick and useful tutorial if you want to add classic save icon styling to your UI, mockups, wireframes, or design projects without drawing the icon from scratch. It's fast, easy, and perfect for beginners. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and go inside the design where you want to add the icon. Once you're in the canvas, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma lets you quickly access extra tools, plugins, and widgets that can help speed up your design workflow. After you click Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This will open the plugin search area where you can find tools to insert icons, illustrations, and other design assets. Now in the search bar, type Iconify and run the plugin. Iconify is one of the most popular icon libraries in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of ready-made icons in different styles. Once Iconify opens, use the search bar inside the plugin and type floppy disk. Then press enter to search. You should now see the floppy disk icon results appear on screen. From here, simply choose the icon you want and drag and drop it directly onto your design canvas. That's it! You've now created a floppy disk icon in Figma without having to build it manually. You can resize it, change the color, and position it anywhere you need inside your design. This is a super useful trick for saving time and keeping your workflow efficient. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.